Jasper! Why you go? Why you go? It is all right. 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 What is the matter? What has Jasper, my son, done this time around?
Ekene, leave me and Jasper. I will show him the animal in me today. Oh, let him come outside.
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. It's all right. Just tell me what he has done. Tell me. I am the father. Tell me what he has done.
If his sister, tell him to come out. I want to see him between me and him. Talk of the devil himself. Here he comes.
It's all right. Thank God he has come.
Hey! Ekene! Papa, what is it now? Can't somebody have rest of mind in his father's house? What's the problem now? Can't I have rest of mind in my own house?
If you know how much we are owing this woman, pay her now before I marry her and roast you like sacrificial goat.
Which woman?
Herself.
Am I owing you?
I don't owe you. You came to my shop and bought a liter of fuel. Without paying me, you drove out. You come here.
A liter of fuel that I put, is it not in my car that I put it? Did I drink it? Did I drink the fuel? Is it not inside my car?
You need to drink fuel before.
Of 1 liter of fuel. The guy urine one more full. Kitty now ranted like a hungry thunder. Mama take Ibonya la, you mad?
Can you just imagine?
Will you just shut up your mouth? Close your mouth. Your son is owing this poor widow. Is that all you say?
Who is poor? This one.
Who says that I'm owing her? I just bought fuel that I put in my sports car. That's all. Why are all of you jealous of me in this village? The only crime I committed is that I bought myself a sports car. Everybody's just angry.
Is this Eka? Is this Eka? Your son.
Which one does your son have?
This one that is stealing pea and corn in the village. That is son with big head. You think I don't know?
Can you just shut up? Why are you saying this when your son is owing this poor widow?
No mind, let her be rotting her mouth like a bicycle using discovering in Benue.
How much is the money?
My money is 117 naira.
117 naira.
I'm going to come money for about
117 naira. Oh my God.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's all right. I will pay you.
My father's changed.
Come back.
No.
Get back. As your money or the money your mother.
Is it not my father's money?
As is part of his inheritance. Collect your money from
my friend,
am I dead?
To God, if you don't give me this money, me and you will put leg in one trouser.
Collect your money.
I said to God, if you don't give...
Wait, let me go and look for a change I give to you.
Come on, give me that change also, sir.
Mother will go to hell.
You want to collect my father's change? My beloved father's money. My sweet father's money. You want to just collect it like that?
May your tongue roast in that your mouth.
Stupid people.
May it catch fire in your mouth. Who got into this mouth?
Dogs are known for barking. Go ahead. Elephants are known for dignity.
Don't mind them.
Oh, she that knows her name has already answered. You called me Oifable. You called me dog. Hey, Sorry, Mama. You come.
Mama, kill me.
Sorry.
No, you can't get no.
You come. No.
Mama, Tibuoya, Jack. 1-0, 2-1. Mama, punch her. Mama, punch her eye. Mama, punch her. Mama, punch her eye. Mama, punch her eye. Mama, punch her eye. Mama, come inside. No retreat, no surrender. Mama, come.
I am not the only man with 2 wives in this community. Neither am I the first. Yes. There is no day people will pass by without hearing quarreling voices in my company. My brother, please, I want you to bear me with this. That if I should die before my time, these 2 women, my wives, and this useless son of mine, who embezzled the sister's money to draw cartoon on his body, are the people that kill me.
Papa, stop disgracing us. It's tattoo, it's not cartoon. It's tattoo.
Ojera akwụkwọ.
Nene.
Come and get it.
Nkonyere. Have we not want the both of you never to fight again in this house?
Now you what? We obeyed you. We didn't fight in the house. Only fought in the compound.
Just need whereby.
Will you shut
up?
up?
Here house.
Just here or one house.
Shut
Niro,
up.
why will I shut up? Onibazu, why will I shut up? I was on my own discussing with my own husband, the husband of my youth and my son. This orphanage witch brew wickedness here. And came and prized my trouble. And you know me very well. I don't make trouble. I only sold her the trouble in wholesale price. Go where go to your from my car bare. Go work again.
It is better to go dancing on the highway than to believe the latrine lies that escape from this witch's mouth. What is wrong with
you? Will you shut up? Shut up, both of you. How dare you trade insults in our presence? Huh? How dare you? Nana, Nkonyere, shame on both of you.
Amen.
Shame.
Can you listen to me? Can you hear him? Will my God say he has given me a son in this age? Eh? A he-goat that goes about swinging grasses pretending to be my son. Eh?
Hey, what are you saying? Have you ever seen me chewing grass? Or you just said it, you're expecting them to believe you or you should laugh? A goat that chews grass and a goat that smokes grass, which one is more serious goat? The one that smokes grass has more higher medulla oblongata.
Simple.
And that is who I am. I'm a goat.
Yes.
It's not goat that chew the grass. Don't be saying that too.
Hey! You see, he's even proud to call himself a goat that smokes grass.
Shut up, Madam Illiterate.
Yeah.
Hey! They did not mean goat as meh. They mean G-O-A-T. Greatest of all times.
Imo go Expo. Jai water jota, go and bring jota so you be jotting it down. So you not go to school. Every time you inform me you went to school. Small thing you say scale one. You don't know. It's goat, greatest of all times. Michael. It's not meh goat. So my elders, you've heard it too. That is who I am.
Unu mana eso mni fa na eme no. Mama akwụkwọ na jere ma akwụkwọ you know now. Mana passing sister abura passing sense.
My brother, what? Are you looking at them? Won't you take action?
So just we are not prepared for the So we have to go home, reinforce, and come back another.
Exactly. The fire in your house is too much.
Too much.
And as you can see, yeah, we are not firefighters.
Hey!
Then if they cannot do anything, do something. Is it not your house? Oh, shut up! Shut up!
Okay, I want to last.
You would have fallen. I was that person that saved you. I saved you. Good for you. Good for you.
Onye na ya o. I wan buy groundnut 50 naira.
Ebuka, come back here. What did he send?
He said I should buy for him cigar.
Oh yeah, give me that one. You don't have to send this little boy to go and buy you cigarettes.
She threw money at you. How dare you throw money at my son? Huh?
Did you just throw money at me?
What for?
Or the devil is trying to use you per second?
And I will do it over and over again. Why will you send such a little boy to buy you cigarettes? Eh?
Is this boy the one to smoke the cigarette? My son asked him to go and buy him cigarettes. He will smoke. Go away to Banyoli.
Why did you listen to me just
Why
now?
are you so jealous of this, my boy you never had?
Me? You said jealous?
Yes.
Jealous of who? Fine boy or fibroid? What do you capable?
I forgot.
You there?
Onu mama mechi.
Onu gama
mechi. Onu mama mechi. Oya now. Oya. Oya. Mu agenye dia. Mu agebidonia. Yabanu. Ebe kineje. Yabanu. Aja. Ebiaba. Ngwa. Ngenye dia. Yeah. Ngenye.
Magano. No.
Jasper, I am not eating.
Now I made this food for you. The way you will love it. Why is that you take it away? What do you want me to do with the food?
I said I am not eating. Are you deaf?
The food, see it. It's your favorite overall. You're rejecting my food. Because of a woman I used my hard-earned money to go and marry for you. I know what you and that which are up to. Man, for that thing, a man walk in this house. May make this house uncomfortable for both of you. Let me carry my food.
I'm not only rejecting your food, I'm rejecting you too. Take this poison out of my sight before I spill it.
Ikenga. You can reject my food. And from it is no-go area. We die here. You cannot reject me. Imam Menwia, let me carry my food. No problem. Let me carry my food.
Babe, another rise. There is no better time to take advantage of price in Bitcoin than now. Get a loan, invest more money before it drops.
A loan?
Yes. Oh babe, we have over $50,000 Bitcoin investment on it. Why do you want us to take a loan when our investment is on the rise?
Listen, there is no better time to take a loan than now. Like I told you before, whatever you invest in Bitcoin now will multiply in 2 days. All we need to do is get a loan, invest, and we'll make more money. But listen, I am your stockbroker. And I should be able to guide you in this.
You're not just my stockbroker. You're my husband too. So tell me, how do you know about it?
You're so sweet, babe. Yeah, like I was saying, all we need to do is to get a loan. And you know very well the bank will not give you loan without collateral. So I want us to use this house collateral, the document as a collateral, so we can get $100,000 from the bank.
That's my phone. I think I left it. Sorry.
Hello, Adana, my daughter. How are you doing?
I'm fine, Papa. How are you doing?
I'm not fine at all. Oh, I'm not fine at all. As I speak to you, I'm getting into depression.
Papa, don't tell me Brother Jasper started again.
Has he ever stopped before? He has never stopped. But this time around, it's not only him. This time he includes my wives. They have all turned my home into a battlefield.
Hey. Why is it always my family? Why?
My dear, Adanaya, please, you have to come to the village as a matter of urgency. Except you want to meet me, a dead person.
Papa, is it that bad?
Adanaya, please, just make sure you come as soon as possible. I am, person speaking to you now is a dead man. Please.
Papa.
Adana, please make sure you come very fast, eh?
What is the problem again? Why are you frowning? So this time around, what happened in the village? What did they say?
Papa demanded that I come to the village tomorrow.
That is serious. I hope there's no problem. Huh? What happened?
Jasper. Not only Jasper this time. The war has extended to my mother's.
What is even wrong with this Jasper? What is wrome with him? Anytime you get a call from the village, it is Jasper, 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 Jasper. Where is this boy from? Are you really sure you are from the same parents? Huh?
There is nothing I have never done to make life easy for Jasper. I have done virtually everything. Yet, Jasper's problem and trouble multiplies every day.
Alright, everything will be fine. But at the same time, why don't you just call them on the phone instead of traveling that far to the village?
My father insists that I come home, else I'll meet him dead.
Wow.
I'm ready to lose my father.
You're serious? But left from you, is it not just better to sacrifice him to the gods? Huh? I was just joking. I wanted you to cheer up.
Family problem.
Mama, Ada mami. Ada lugo. Hey, welcome. Hey,
Ada na. Welcome, my
I
see you.
Thank God for joining us. Ada beke. Ada na ri ugwu ano. Ada bu obarande. Amo basare. Hey! Ndai ko me go rompa.
You're back?
Yes. When did you come back?
I just came back.
I didn't know. Welcome.
Thank you.
So how are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm fine as always. God is faithful.
Yes. I bought this for you on my way back.
Hey.
Yes.
Thank you, my daughter.
Yes.
God bless you. Oh, God bless you.
Mama, what about Brother Jasper? How is he?
He's doing very well. He's doing very well. Just that he stepped out. You know, he's doing the business in the village now.
Yeah.
Yes. As a matter of fact, he owns a car like you now.
Yeah.
And his business is doing very well.
Yes. Nice. I'm happy for him.
God is wonderful to us.
Yes, he's always wonderful. Okay, Mama, I'll see Brother Jasper before I leave for the
No
city.
problem. No problem.
Okay.
Hey. This is exactly what I dreamt about this morning. Nkonyere thinks she will get me through her daughter. Bana, she lied. I will tell Nkonyere that the God I serve is bigger than every plan of the enemy she is. I will tell them that I know what they know. That he that lives in me is bigger than he that lives in them. Hey! I bind, I cast every evil powers in this bread and wrapper. I cast them out in the name of Jesus. I cast them in the name of Abraham, Jacob, and Isaac. I cast them by the holy sanctuary, by the angel Gabriel, angel Michael. I cast them in the name of Apostle Angel Paul and Peter. Ha! Father Lord Jehovah, come down and sanctify this bread, because I will not take it without you sanctifying it and purifying it. Father, make it holy, Jehovah. Expose the evil one, expose the wicked one, expose the... Hey! Go in your name, Wagum. May God judge you. May God judge your daughter. May God judge every of your evil and heart eaters. In the mighty name of Jesus, Father, expose them. As you expose them today, continue to expose them. Continue to expose them. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen. Ha! Onyiro mabia. I knew it! Eh? Hey! Onyiro! I said they were up to no good. With bread, mama, bread, mama, I will go around this village and tell them how wicked you are. How wicked you and your daughter have become. In the name of Jesus. Hey, nobody got no car.
I swallow it. It's on my mouth.
I hope. What bread are you using to drink this tea? Huh?
Is that bread that you are binding and passing on? So.
All the poison I done brought from the city to kill you and I?
Oh, sorry, the poison. We are saying the same thing now. It's the same poison that I'm eating.
It still smells like my tea. Chineke.
Ha, Mama, what is this thing now? And what is wrong with you? Is it not you that said which one is calm down? You are binding and casting the bread. Me, I'm helping you bind and cast it in my mouth here.
Hey, wait a minute. Hey, why are you shouting?
Which one is why am I shouting? You just took the whole tea and you drank it like that. You're asking me why am I shouting?
Tea now. Eh? Just if you want to eat, let us go inside so that you can eat.
But you said it's poison now.
Oh, don't worry. I already told Ngonya and the daughter that you're a car owner in the city. I don't want it to look as if you're hungry. Eh?
So car owner don't used to eat. In your village, car owner don't used to eat.
It's their bread. It's their bread. You see, this is the poison they brought. If you want to eat your own bread, go and ask them to give you. For this is my own personal poison. Eh?
So now we are doing on your own poison, Abi?
I'm hungry. You're hungry.
I don't like this thing. No. Don't be doing this thing. No. Don't be. How can you collect the goat's tea like that? You don't know it's the goat. Just for the goat.
Don't worry. Let's go inside so that we can eat together. Eh? I don't want you to look as if you want to downgrade yourself. Come, let's go inside and get package your muggy well. Eh?
Mama, go first. I'm coming. I'm not done. I have what I'm doing.
Okay, no problem. I'm waiting for you.
Mama, go now. Go now. I'm doing a bowl of tea here.
Jasper the goat, but the greatest of all times, you know. Jasper the goat, yeah. Jasper the goat, Jasper the goat, yeah.
Please, my daughter, if this is the last thing you will do for me, I will remain the happiest person alive.
Papa.
Yes.
Elise had in Onitsha cannot become an alligator in Aba. You and I know that I have established a business for Brother Jasper, not once, twice, but 3 good times. And he squandered the money. And now, Papa, you want me to make the same mistake the 4th time?
My dear, that is why I am saying take him alongside with you to the city. Yes, perhaps when he's under your watchful eyes, he will not have the liberty to squander the money again.
No. Just look at me, Adama. Am I not too small to carry a big problem as Brother Jasper? Am I not too small for this?
Well, you are. But you still have the youthful stamina to contain him. Because if Jasper stays any longer with me in this village, just know that my days will be cut short.
Now, is there no other way we can go about this other than Jasper coming to live with me in the city? Eh? Is there no other way we can go about this?
I don't know. You are making a sense. But keeping a watchful eye over him is the only available alternative to make him a better person. Please. I have only the 2 of you. Huh? And I am very sure that he is behaving the way he is behaving now simply because he's in the village. And I know that by the time he travels far to the city and sees the way his mates are hustling hard to earn their living, he will adapt and become a better person. Because
Think about it.
Papa, this is hard. I'm telling you. Papa, this is hard for me. Seriously. You're not just considering me. This is hard. Jasper is too big. He's bigger than me, Papa. Jasper is bigger than me.
You told me you will sleep over what you discussed with your father last night. Have you gotten an answer?
Mama, I'm still pondering over it.
And I am still saying no to it. It will not work. Not the Jasper I know. You cannot condone his troubles. I know so many cases that have been reported here every day. Is that what you want to go and face in the city?
Mama, exactly what I told my father. But he wouldn't listen. He said I have to take Jasper to the city, else he will take his own life.
My daughter, Jasper is condemned beyond repair. Taking him to the city, it will not change anything.
Mama, exactly what I told him. I don't even know what to do now. I don't.
Did you not tell him that a monkey in the village will always remain a monkey, whether in Cotonou or America?
Mama, you are going too far. You said monkey. Me, I even used ordinary domestic animal, lizard, for him. He still did not understand.
My dear, and I am still saying it will not work. It will not work. Do it the way you have always done it. Just give him some money to start another business. But taking him to the city, you can't handle him. You're just a woman. It will not work.
Mama, don't worry yourself. I've already made up my mind. This will be the last help I will ever render to Jasper in my life.
My daughter, Adanna, has agreed to take her brother, Jasper, to the city to set him up in business for the 4th time. I repeat, 4th time. The first time, you all knew the story. Second time, went away in Odimgbe. The 3rd time, what was it? It ended in Atum.
Papa, nobody is asking you that one. Did anybody ask you for the record? And point of correction, it's not tattoo, it's tattoo. Tattoo!
You just keep quiet there.
No, let me tell you, because I have to tell you, for you to know. You have to be proud of your son. Jasper the GOAT, greatest of all times. Other children in this village, all they do is palm wine tapping and stealing. But your own son here, he's dressing like Americana inside this village.
American boy, American woman.
Yes. American boy, American woman.
He will not shut up. He will not shut up anything tonight. He will not shut up.
Why will he not shut up?
He started it. Why will you remind him how many times his own blood sister has helped him?
Can you imagine? You're counting it.
You even repeating it 1, 2. Why?
Because shut up, Evan. Is it not a brother that considers himself a brother that will be seen as a brother?
Shut up! Let me talk to my husband. Shut up! Stop! Let me talk to my husband.
Papa? Now I believe it's no longer Brother Jasper that is the problem, but our mothers.
Thank God, though. Thank God you're here. You're seeing what is happening. You're here.
Close your mouth.
That woman has no shame.
Papa, what is your problem, sir? Are you jealous that they want to take me to the city? Okay, Adana, just take him to the city. Take him, let me just Gabazie can wear rest of mine. What's all these things now? Is it because Adana of yesterday want to take me to the city? Is that why everybody is shouting at me?
You called her Adana of yesterday?
It's Adana of 1900
Let
BC.
me shock you. It is your kind balance that determines your age mate.
Why are you not balling mad?
So keep quiet, just shut up and allow her her to help
I
you.
should shut up.
Shut up. May thunder, may clipper shut that mouth.
Yeah, but who get back? You have to go
This
to
is not this one that killed her American husband and inherited his property.
Enough.
Papa, are you sure it's Jasper you want me to take to the city or these two women?
If you point at me,
Quiet, let me talk.
What is
Hey, will you shut up there, let me talk.
let him talk.
No, now back on this house, finally you can see. Only this house is what
Jasper, keep quiet there, let me talk. My dear, take your brother Jasper to the city. As for the two of them, they only quarrel and fight, but they don't break into my room to steal my money. Neither do they make me to pay fines to the community authorities now and then. Take your brother.
But wait, let's go straight to the point. I don't have time. I'm Jasper the goat. Greatest of all time. So I don't have time. If you want to solve this thing, let's talk it here. All this going around is not why I'm here. Adana, are you taking me to the city or not? Period. Let's know what we are doing. Oh, case closed. I closed the chapter. Case closed. Let me go and pack my belongings and get ready. Go to the city. Let me go and help the city.
And Nene, let me warn you. Don't you ever bring in my late daughter's American husband anytime we are talking. Unless you want me to pass some senses into yours. Fixed score.
Why are you talking like that?
Shut up! Because shut up. If you like them, Maggie. You
I married you. I own you. Whatever money your child all belongs to me. You are my property. Yes.
I day my day. You came and married me.
Then you cannot be bigger
than me. That is no longer
you cannot be bigger than me.
You are under me.
I am the first and you are the
jealousy.
So she killed her American.
Mama, don't worry. I'm not supposed to be telling me all these things. Am I a child? You know, you're still telling me to look left and right before crossing the road. Ekene Umenwa.
You are too young to die for a fool.
What is the meaning of that? This is not mine. As you go to the city, make sure you shame our enemies, disappoint them by becoming very, very successful.
Mama, what are you saying? Which one has you go to the city? Me that is going to help the city. The city will even give me kola nut and thank me for coming to him. Why are you talking like you don't know your son again? The goat. I will go to the city before you count 1, 2, 3. I'll carry millions and come back to this house. You think I will spend years in the city? Am I mad? Am I mad to spend years in the city?
Let me say it well. As you go now to help the city,
very good.
Make sure you shame our enemies, disappoint them by becoming very, very successful.
Mama, leave that one. My name is successful already. This person you're seeing is Jasper the goat successful. Forget the...
I trust you.
Can we start going? Please, let's go.
Let's go now. Talking about something.
You're going to use my car.
Which car?
Why? This one is boy race. Am I not using? What kind of nonsense talk is that one? My friend, drive. Let's go on convoy. The only thing is that there is no siren. But don't worry, I'll get to the city before you. Let's go.
The city is a long distance. Your car cannot withstand.
Chimo, this guy you're seeing, this guy is V8 too. This guy, if I start it has power bike engine coupled with trailer engine inside this same car. You think it's by color? You think it's by because your own is the red is flashing red to this one? No, hear the sound of this car. You can use it to big band. Let me hit this your own. Let me hit your own like that so that you.
What you want to hit my car?
No, let's try it now. Is it not experiment we are doing?
It's alright.
How can you say that? My own. Anyway, it's because of the noise. It will open later. Let's continue.
Then let him go in his iron condemn. Okay?
Oh.
Let it be so.
Nonsense.
Nonsense.
Is he finished that is causing all this nonsense? Because you're seeing this sports car Formula 1 in this compound. Will you tell Lewis Hamilton that his car is not good? Nonsense.
Somebody is about helping your son. Instead of you to be appreciated, you are
No, nothing. It's about uncle.
But the greatest of all times, Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat.
It's just nothing, no.
Jasper the goat. Okay, the supermaster, na. Jasper the goat. Chachai, call me the goat. Na me be the goat. I'm a royal goat. Okay, the supermaster.
Mama, what make way? You see, normally this car it has anger sensor.
Hey!
So when the anger was going, the car don't thought there want to be bomb explosion. The battery now, it's not that the battery, it's just, we need to just tell the car that there's no quarrel by pushing it. So people... But what kind of talk is that one now? I just explained the therapy of the car. You're telling me it's not noise. Once you push it now, just small push, the car will know there is no quarrel. Everybody is
Come and follow your sister.
Says you now. I don't like insults in my life. What kind of nonsense? Very simple talk. You be looking for trouble. Mama, please. Please, don't. The more noise, the car will not push. Don't push it with anger. Smile while pushing it. Oh yeah, push it, push. Remember to smile, oh.
Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. The goat apple of a name. Jasper the goat. But the greatest of all times, Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Oh, what greatest of all times, Jasper the goat. Okay, the supermaster, Jasper the goat. Chachai, call me the goat. Na me be the goat. I'm a royal goat. Okay, the supermaster. Yeah, call me the goat. Na me be the goat. Okay, the supermaster. Yeah, I call him Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. The goat apple of one name. Jasper the goat. But the greatest of all times, Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat.
Ada, wait. So this is the house your late American husband built for you? Eh?
Yes, now this is the house I've been living with.
Jesus Christ. Including this one. This one. This one, okay?
No, that's not my house. Just this.
Just this one? But why are they together now?
They are not choking me. This is their house. They bought the land with their own.
What kind of stupid money that they didn't see another place to buy land? It is in this fine house that I'm seeing. Eh? Adanna, but why are you like this now? Eh? So, you've been living in this fine house and you left us in the village. You've been enjoying alone. Eh? Hi, Adanna, your mind is not good though. Are you looking at me like that? Like you don't know what you've been doing? See where you're living now? A house that is even finer than our Igwe's house is where you're living all alone, leaving us in the village. So why didn't you build something like this in the village? Why?
I'm still planning to. Very soon I will do.
You will. You're still. Did you hear yourself? You're still planning to. Eh? Very soon. Hi! This girl. This girl. Your mind is not well at all. Don't tell me that thing, no. Don't tell me that thing. How can you... Jesus Christ, too. Hi! One kind of one and we're in the village suffering. How can you do so? A woman like you. You don't know you're supposed to carry me along? Eh? Now, see this house, see this one. Both of them are choking you. If you had invited me over since, I would know how to warn these people not to bring their nonsense close to this fine house. Okay, now, if I want to build my OB now, where will I now build it here now? Where? No, where now? Where will I build it? You'll be doing something all alone. You not call your brother Jasper, the goat. Eh? Hi! What is this one now?
That's
Easter.
Easter.
Who is he lifting now?
Generator.
Again. This thing generator.
Now, what is it millions?
The generator we have in our own is that one now that you...
This one is different. This one costs millions.
So then I'm still talking about the one you said. You're still saying more. You bought this thing for millions. Hey! What 1 million? After you be claiming that you have sense. They just cheated you. How can you buy this thing for 1 million? 1 million. 1 million. Please, where's the way to the house? Where's the entrance? Come. Entrance to where? How about my car that broke down? We will not leave that car there.
And don't worry, I'll send my mechanic.
No, Obronke, don't worry. I got worry. We are in the city. Please just tell me because that car is very important to me. That is Jasper's car. Call him so when he comes, we'll now park it here in front of this place. This one will be neighbors. Why the car will park here? Hi, Jesus Christ. Hey! Bataba. Come on, c'est pas possible. What is going on here? Adanna. Adanna. So you actually kissed this muggle in your elder brother's presence? Eh?
Charles, meet my elder brother Jasper. Brother Jasper, meet Charles, my fiancé.
You're welcome, Jasper.
Come on, Judaku legal house. Come on, take this your nonsense. Are you mad? You want to shake me? Do you know me? Talking to you is Jasper. Jasper the goat. Greatest of all time. You want to shake me? Makagene one? Eh? No, who you say is who?
He's my fiancé.
He's from France. So people from France, they don't used to have sense.
It's not France. Fiancé, like my husband to be Onichorin.
Oh, husband to be. To be oh. So because he's now husband to be, that's why he's living in the house your late American husband built for you.
I beg you pardon.
Come on, somebody also. I beg your pardon. Who are you speaking English for? I beg your pardon. Eh? So the man that was to be that built this house, he did not even talk. It's you that will come and be talking. Are you mad? Eh? Can you imagine the nonsense?
Please, I'm sorry.
Who are you doing all these things for?
No, I told you.
You didn't tell me you were coming with him.
Same way she did not tell me that he's living with a maid like you. Same way she did not tell me.
Brother Jasper, please, can we go upstairs?
This boy has just annoyed me. So you've not even paid bride price.
Please, let's go upstairs. So I'll show you.
You see you? I got my eyes on you.
Brother Jasper.
Wait, who are you doing this thing for? Is it me you're doing this thing for? You want to fight me? With this your lizard muscle, you're doing this thing for me. What's it feeling like? I suffer. Anyway.
I'm opening a new shop for him in Main Market. He'll be the one to manage it. Then he's going to give me accounts regularly, like maybe monthly.
Babe, if you seek my opinion, I'll tell you, please don't start what you cannot finish. This is the best advice I can give you.
Babe, you don't have to be scared. He's my elder brother. I know most times he behaves like an abnormal human being, but please, I don't know. I just feel with this he'll become a better person.
Listen, you know him very well. And if you know you cannot control him, why bring him to the city?
Baby, he's my elder brother. I cannot disrespect him. I cannot.
That's your brother that I know. He's not someone you should handle with soft hand. People like that are supposed to be handled with iron hand. That boy is a monster. But if you insist, no problem. You know I will do anything for you.
Thank you so much, baby. I love you. I know by the time he mingles with these city boys and see how they hustle to make their money, he will learn from them. Thank you for your understanding. I love you.
I love you.
Jasper. What just happened now? You pressed ping on my own MP. Eh? No, don't, come on, go, listen, Guinea. Did you just stopped my music that I'm dancing?
Your food is ready.
My food is ready. My food is ready on the dining table. You're speaking English, so you decorate. Come here. Come here, let me tell you also. Say yesterday that I came, that I called you a maid. You were angry. Abi? Now what is happening? What are you now? A maid. Is it not what you are? But yesterday you were come. Okay, you're working out. I'm off here. That you're not a maid. Keta, what are you? My food is on the dining. Yeah? This is why I not contacted my. Adanaya. 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 Adanna. Bia? So you've not been hearing my voice from that place to this place. You've not been hearing my voice. Is your brain whining? Eh? So you've not been hearing me calling Adanna from there. You cannot collect the Adanna that I've called and add it to your own and call her for her to hear me. Are you mad? So we are now mates now. We are now housemates with Jasper the goat. Eh? Anyway, where is my sister?
She has gone to work.
She has gone to work. And you, what are you doing here? Why are you not at work too?
As you can see, I'm in my office. This is where I work.
Royala. Where is office? This place you are crossing leg, pressing this, what's this TV. This one here is not enough for you now. It's your office.
Hey, listen, Jasper. I work online. Listen, have you heard of forex trading? Cryptocurrency. Where you trade Bitcoin, perfect money, intro money. That is what I...
My friend, shut up. Stop talking nonsense with so much confidence. What are you saying? You do forex, you do this one. Are you mad? Wait, so is this the new scope that jobless people in the city use in deceiving people? Anybody that is jobless in this city, if you ask him, he will tell you I'm doing online business. And you think you can deceive me? Jasper the goat, the greatest of all times. Are you mad? Wait, so this is what you use in deceiving my sister? Making her believe that you have a job while you are a very lazy person, a very jobless human being. Eh? Hi! But women, why are women so gullible? Why? Why are they so gullible? Why don't they have sense? Is it because they don't used to pour water on their head? Weavon used to cover their head, their medulla oblongata. Is that why? I'm asking you, stop looking at me like that. Are you normal? Eh? So this is how you're deceiving my sister, that you have a job. You see I know your scope. I know your scope. You have a job. Let money come out from this place. I want to see. No, bring out money. Let me see that you're actually working and making money. If you go to where my sister is selling now, she will sell market and collect money. Where's your own money? Deceiving the innocent girl that you're walking. Hi! Adana Eligogi. Anyway, I'm in this house now. You see that your plan has failed. It has failed. Where is my food? Where is my food? Where is my food?
Jasper the goat, your food is on the dining table.
Chalo? Is it my own food that I will eat that you're doing hand like this? The food that we eat. So you cannot stand up to go and show me the food. Looking like Chinese sacrifice. You cannot stand up to go and show me the food. You see me and you in this house. I got my eyes on you. Okay? I got my eyes on you. Let me just eat first. Very very stupid boy. Cross-leg, enjoying what he did not work from nowhere. You're telling somebody that did not go to school. You've seen Jasper now that did not go to school. If you tell me online, I will believe you. I went to school. Ask of me. I have my first school leaving certificate in the village. Ask of me. Jasper the goat. If I hear this thing, I'll just keep quiet. Come here, come and challenge me. Come here. Very stupid boy.
Good day, madam.
Good day.
Is this supposed to be Kenga's compound?
Yes.
Oh.
Are you looking for him?
Sorry to ask. Are you his wife?
Yes.
Oh, then you must be Jasper's mother.
Any problem?
Your son came to my boutique to buy clothes and shoes just a few days ago. And he paid me with counterfeit money. So I am here. Madam, this is not a joke. This is not a joke.
Counterfeit money, what?
Yes.
Hey, whoa. Hey, I am not surprised. That is the thief's mother there. Oga Ferana Ofuo. Oga Fe Ofuo.
Jasper's mother?
That's the woman. Oh, Yanwa.
Thank you
No,
very much.
Nyori.
Good day, madam. Please provide your son and let him pay me my money right now. Otherwise, I will report him to the police for coming to spend counterfeit money in my shop. Please do so. Hello, madam. Hello? Madam, provide your son for me right now, please.
To that man?
Yes.
Why?
He said he is looking for a thief in this compound. And you are the mother of a crook we have here.
Me?
Yes.
A mother of a crook?
Ogafe Ofuo.
Chineke me.
Ekperima mama kibo. Original Ekperima mama. Mama Ekperima ne. Obago. Ichoki you?
What repeat it, Chineke me.
Mama Ekperime. Ezibote. Mama Ekperime.
I gave you today. I don't get enough. Give my wife. I don't get enough.
Please.
It's going to go.
You do now?
Jana, you do not more boy.
Oh, because you have the money now, your shoulder is now as high as the trailer.
Yes, only big goodness. Ego power. I have money now, I have power.
Just stand up for your son.
Get away!
You would have seen his old age inside the prison.
You haven't forgotten the box. 1 blow, 7 apples I gave you. At least you felt it. My blows, you felt it. Thank you for not shame on my face. God bless you.
God no go shame us, my sister.
Amen, no. Amen, no.
Wait, oh.
I thought Adama took Jasper, your son, to the city to set him up in business.
Yes. That was the agreement we all had. But you know, Nkonyere with her obiakpo, her wicked heart, she will call that girl by the side and discourage her. You know her.
Because he's getting to 1 month now. And she has not set him up yet.
Oh yeah.
Nene.
Stand up and speak out. You are the first wife in that house.
To the best of my knowledge, you personally brought Nkonyere to your husband home.
With my hard-earned money. I don't blame them. It is my maker, my chi, that I blamed. Because if I had my child earlier, what will Nkonyere be doing in my family? What haven't I done to teach her a lesson? I have beaten her up severally. I have disgraced her in public. I have even laid false accusation against her in the church and in the market. Yet,
make sure every agreement reached before Adama took your son to the city is met. If not,
give her fire for fire in that house near your son. Chukoti, you know the one that is paying me more. It was Ugonye that pointed me to that man. It was Ugonye, she will see herself.
Ugonye and Kaba and John and one you. Eh? Hello.
Ugonye! Ugonye!
Getting Kitara na Bosha. Eh?
Naginkita. Nagini. Now listen and listen, God. Call that your stupid daughter in the city and remind her about our agreement before she took him to the city. That she must start up something for him and not to keep him as her houseboy in the city.
So finally, you have agreed that your stupid wayward son is nothing but a houseboy to my distinguished daughter.
If you know what is good for you, call him. Call him with immediate effect. If in the next 3 days she fails to carry out that agreement, I will start with you. I'll go for this village in Doggy Vam before going to the city to bring back her dead body for you.
It is your useless son's dead body that will be brought back to this village. After all, there wasn't any life left in him before my daughter decided to help him.
I won't say more than this.
Look at you. Oh, you think you are going to have a white-collar job or a big shop? You will always remain the mother of a houseboy. Oh, Yakebo. Mama Fulef.
The goat. So proceed.
My fiancé told me what transpired between both of you.
This boy ain't quite fella. So that boy doesn't have shame. So he actually came to report me to you. Eh? That boy is a perfect example of you can never shame the shameless.
Jasper, bring down your voice.
Bring down my voice for who? I should bring down my voice in my own younger sister's house. No, don't tell me that, please. Allow me to use my shouting license. Which one is I should bring down for that stupid boy?
But Jasper, it's just both of us that is discussing.
Both of us discussing. That is the main reason I have to shout. I should bring down my voice. That lazy idiot. All he does in this house is for me and him to drag pot of rice. Telling me to bring down my voice for him.
But Jasper, my fiancé is not lazy.
Jasper the goat, you have suffered. Who is not lazy? If he's not lazy, why is he dragging pot of rice with me in this house? With Jasper? Do you know who I am? No, does he know who I am? He's dragging pot of rice with me in my own younger sister's house. Jasper the goat, the Ogene superstar that we have. The anointed the goat of our generation. If I see that boy now, I'll slap him.
But Jasper, Have you ever asked me how I managed to keep this wealth? Have you?
It's very simple now. Your late husband left thousands of dollars for you. In this, I'm even wondering the room where you locked the money. It's very simple now. If not for the money he left, how will you be surviving? Are you asking me such stupid questions? Have I ever wondered? Before Uncle, he left money for you. That is how you're surviving.
Brother Jasper, that child you're calling a lazy boy or a lazy man is the one sustaining me. Ask me how. One, first and foremost, the little sales I make from my business, I give it to Charles to invest in his online business. They call it Forex Exchange.
Hey! Adana! Do like this. Here. Clean it. So you don't have sense. Yeah, Adana. So you cannot learn from your brother Jasper the goat. Eh? Is it what that stupid boy is using to deceive you? So the little money you make from yourself, you give it to that bastard. I know he's hearing my voice. You give it to him to go and invest in forest. Imofia inside the forest.
Bro, that is not forex. It is forex trading. It's an online business.
And so what? So because he's doing forest exchange. Is that why he will not respect me? Is that why he will not respect your brother? Is he mad? Who knows him? Does he even know him? Or Iko or Tenku? Does he know him? Or Mama, does he know him? Eh? Has he even put even if it's snap or any 1 cup of palm wine on your head? For him to be giving me orders on how to live in my younger sister's house. Is he mad? Does he know that I senior you? Does he know that I senior you with 3 months? 3 months, so 3 months is not 3 days, so because about 3 weeks. Because about 3 minutes. So when he came to report to you, why didn't you tell him, no, leave my brother, he's the goat, so he's Jasper, the greatest of all time. You now came to tell me, for what?
Brother, he says he's sorry. He says he's sorry.
Oh, he said he's sorry. Now, that is what you could have said immediately you got here. It's not to make me talk. You just come and tell me that Jasper the goat, my Utobo boyfriend is sorry for what he did. He's apologized. They will now accept. Anyway, go and call him to come and kneel down here so that I'll hear him very well. To know if my mind will accept to forgive him. Go and call him.
Well, that's not the reason I came here. I came to inform you that your business is ready, so you'll be starting up tomorrow as a manager.
Say that again.
You'll be starting work tomorrow as the manager.
Manager?
Manager.
Ha! Which one is manager again? So you open business for me to be managing, or is it my own business? I was about rejoicing now. You talked about manager. What does it mean?
Jasper, manager, it means you'll be overseeing the affairs of that company.
Overseeing?
Yes.
That is the GO. No. This girl, you can use English to confuse yourself. It's what you could have said now. You tell me that, brother, I have opened a business for you to be the GO. That was the general that oversees everything. See, tell that boy to come here and kneel down. Very stupid boy. He will soon be here. I will start my business and he will be here doing forest. A forest man that doesn't have knife and hoe and cutlass. Is that one a forest man? You don't have cutlass, you don't have hoe. You're calling yourself forest man. Deceiving my sister. Don't worry, let me just start my business first. If I just balance now, I will tell you where you belong in this house. Very stupid, very stupid boy. look at these idiots. You see your life? Just my first appearance in the city. See what you people just did. Eh? You're seeing a man and a woman. You greeted the woman first, leaving the man. That's the man should go to hell. Come on, shut your dating mouth also.
It's okay. These are the boys I actually employed under you.
Oh, my boys. Eh? So if you call my boys, how can this ragamuffin be my boy? Eh? So we didn't do audition to people that will come and be working here.
Okay, sorry. Please, guys, this is my elder brother. He's going to be the manager of this place.
Come on, shut up. No verses as well. My friend, get away from here. No respect. No, come. Let's settle this thing. I heard manage. I don't understand. I thought you said at home that I'll be the general overseer. Which one is the account? I know. No, it's not let me show you.
No, let me show you.
So this one and this place from this line now is our place.
Not up and down. I'm telling you that this place from this side to this place, that's my shop.
Just this place and this place?
Yes, as you can see, it's fully loaded. So since you'll be managing here, brother, you'll be managing this place. Then you'll be giving me accounts monthly or whatever sales you make.
Which one is account again? Is it not what I just asked? Is it account that after selling I'll carry the money and give you?
No, it's 50-50. You have 50%, I have 50%.
Oh, now you're making it clear now. That 50-50 is a share, is a very fair business. Okay, 50 for you, 50 for me. It's okay. We'll do it. This one is rice. Okay. Okay. My friend, go on, you can start working also. So. Come, I will use scissors and cut this hair. Come here. What are you trying to do with the money?
Someone just bought 1 bag of rice.
So?
I want to keep it in the drawer.
Which drawer? Have you asked me if I've eaten today?
Sorry.
My friend, give me money to go and buy food for me.
I
want to put it in the drawer.
Put money inside there. Then bring me 300 naira for his breakfast.
You say? Come here. Sorry. Are you mad? 300 for whose breakfast? It's your family that will eat with breakfast. Are you mad? Are you stupid? Come here. Give me that money. Give me that money also. You want to use 300 to buy food as what now? Jasper. Are you mad? My friend, use this money. Go and buy me. How much is here? 24,000. Very good. Take this one. Buy me isiewu. Listen, buy me isiewu. Buy me chicken laps. Then buy me chicken anus. Very good. Then buy me cow eye. No, this year we have the eye. Buy me roundabout. Last, buy me conny love. Very good. Then use this one and buy me very cold drink. This one is for drink. This one is for the food. Conny love, don't forget. Or I rush.
Which one is conny love?
You don't know conny love. And you people are claiming big boy in the city. You even plate hair. So you plate your brain back. You don't know conny love. You don't know conny. You're from city boy. Conny love is pamo. In fact, give me that money. Where can I get a good restaurant here? that has AC. That has AC and DJ. AC, DJ. Artists used to perform there. That's where I want to eat. Where is the place?
You see this plaza now, eh? The back
If
of
I
this
see
plaza.
this plaza, am I not seeing it?
Okay, the road behind this plaza now, eh?
Back of it.
Yes.
They have stage. Two-Face used to come and perform there. People used to eat there.
This one where they talk now, I don't know. You're looking for where you get good food.
Uh-huh.
I said, follow this road now. You will see Mama Chidera shop. She sells good food now, even from all these
So if I'm eating, whiskey will be performing. That's the one I want. Let me go there if I don't see anything.
Call am Jasper the goat.
So 24,000, I want
Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. The goat apple of one name. Jasper the goat.
Hey! Madam, where's the drink now? Bring the energy drink. Is it until you choke me here?
Sorry, customer, I'm coming. No, please, no vex.
Who is your customer? Are you mad? Who is your customer? Listen, you don't have sense. My name is Jasper, your Ekene Supermaster, aka the goat. Don't call me that.
Hey! Jasper, Ekene Supermaster, aka. No, I can't call my customer a goat. No. I can't call you that now. You can't be a goat.
It's not goat, as in it's not a goat. It's the goat. That is greatest of all time. I told everyone in this city.
Oh, okay. I understand now. The goat, greatest of all time.
Ewu kaigeso, mone jeje mona nana ewu kaigeso, ewu.
Who is the ewu? Who is the ewu? Are you people normal? So they don't have normal people in this city. It's not ewu as in ewu goat. It's the goat. I thought you heard me correcting her just now. The goat, greatest of all time. Hey!
The goat kaigeso, mone jeje mona nana the goat kaigeso, the goat kaigeso, mone jeje mona nana the goat kaigeso, the goat kaigeso, mone jeje mona nana the goat kaigeso.
Bust my head.
Yeah.
Order, give everybody everything.
Hey! Don't worry.
Bring everything where they here.
Okay.
The goat kaigeso, mone jeje mona nana the goat kaigeso.
Papa. Ano mano.
Hey! Mpa, ekele m gị. Hey! Chachai! Hey! Ka mgbe anụ gị chata asị.
Gbasịa m jadi na biko. Tuonu m the goat. Ọsọ pụtụrụ na tuonu m the goat. Awụkwa nge asọrọ nge ehi ọsọ. Inwe blockhead.
Call am Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. The goat apple of one name. na Jasper the goat, but the greatest of all times, you know. Jasper the goat, yeah, Jasper the goat, Jasper the goat, yeah, Jasper the goat, Jasper the goat, oh, the greatest of all times, you know.
You want to return the money customer again? Eh? Are you mad? You don't just sell that to you. Are you sure this is not out? Are you stupid? Don't you know as a good businessman, you're not going to put all the money to customers, no matter what. That's just my are you stupid? Why would they do that? You know how I managed to open this warehouse by myself. Even more than this way my family. I have no idea. What are you going to do this time? I'm going to answer. So what do you oh, you can walk on this. Let's go, bring people to come, yeah? Let's come and find it.
In my entire life, I've never seen such a stupid guy. This guy is so rude, arrogant, and so uncivilized. You need to see this guy or even hear him talk.
Charles, are you serious with this?
And you think I would be joking with such a thing?
And what is your fiancée saying about him?
What's she gonna say? She's saying nothing because she respects this guy a lot. As far as I'm concerned, this guy is semi-god to her. See, to tell you how stupid this guy is, he calls himself a goat. That is how animalistic he is.
A goat?
Of course, a goat.
Well, Charles, I must tell you, Adanna made a mistake of bringing him in here to live with you in the first place. But you have to do something about it.
What do you want me to do? I have been talking. I have done everything I needed to do.
Charles, I suggest you talk to her. Talk to her so that so-called goat will not destroy your relationship with her.
See, guys, listen, I've thought about that. But the truth of the matter is, my relationship means a lot to me. I don't want to do anything that will break my relationship. So that is why I'm calming down.
And then what are you waiting for? Beat him now, beat him up. Man, if you beat him up, he will learn his lessons.
I know. I've thought about that before, okay? At the same time, my relationship first. I need to think about that. Anyways, guys, let's just drop this issue. Because I thinking about that guy, talking about him alone, I want to poke. His sight irritates me.
Charles, I can't believe you're the one saying this. Well, if you say so.
Anyway, let's forget about this issue. Just alright.
I believe one day it goes to
grace.
Before I forget, Charles, how far about that business? Don't play.
the other one I told you about. The container that just came in.
Guy, chill, relax. Body too hot. Like money too much.
No.
Absolutely. Everything will.
I swear to God, it's a complete Sisyphus. Always getting just unexpected.
You know, Charles, this is not a laughing matter. Eh? Tell me, is this what my brother Jasper came to the city to do? Is this what he came to do?
But you should know him better. He's your brother. You think
There is nothing you will not expect from your boy.
If this is what my brother came to the city to do, I have no choice than to send him back to the village. He has to go back to the village.
Oh, serious?
Yes! No problem. I'm telling you my pain and you are laughing. You think it's a laughing matter. Continue.
Oh, baby,
Jasper. Brother Jasper, wake up. Brother, wake up. I want to discuss something with you. Brother Jasper, wake up now.
Wake up, what now?
I want to discuss something very important with you.
Please go. In the morning, we will discuss now.
It's very, very important. I need to talk to you about it. I can't sleep. Brother Jasper!
What is it now? Go now, in the morning we'll talk about it.
If I don't discuss this thing with you now, I will not be able to sleep.
What is your problem now? I must always send you from the village. Eh? What is it you want to talk about? So you cannot wait for it till tomorrow?
I'm not wait.
Okay, talk. I'm hearing you.
Brother Jasper.
Talk, oh, don't bother me. I want to sleep.
It's about the Ekene group.
The Ekene group?
Yes.
What about the Ekene group?
You see that display you displayed today in the streets? I don't like it. This is the city. You were just busy humiliating me in the streets today. Dancing like lawless citizens of this country. This is the city. This is not the village. Please, I won't want that to repeat itself again.
Hey! That's it. Ebela maku wame, uwamue, uwamue. Ebela maku wamo, uwamue, uwamue. Me, Jasper. Wait. Adanna, me, Jasper, the goat. You are asking me questions. Wait, this thing you just said, that this nonsense now, you just opened your mouth, wow, and said now, is that a command or an order? Which one?
It is neither a command nor an order. It is what I want.
Adanna, it is what you want. Me, Adanna. Like I brought the Ekene people to your house. Akuya, did I bring the Ekene people to your house? So you now tell me how to live my own life or how to roll with my Ekene's boys. Right? Adanna. So we are now mates. We are now mates in this house. Because I managed to help the city. You came to wake my beautiful sleep up. Okay. You think...
him staying under the rules and
Cause which problem? Eh? Thunder! Thunder fire you there! Thunder fire that your stupid manhood you're using to talk nonsense. It is your village people that they will rent their life for in another apartment. You're very stupid. You're very, very stupid. So you have been the one telling my sister to disrespect his elder brother. So you've been the one, eh? You've been the one igniting her to disrespect me. Can you imagine this Chinese sacrifice? Look at his beers. No, take a very good look at this girl's beers. How do you even manage to stay close to this food? You're advising my sister to send me out of this. You see, don't allow the devil to use you. Don't allow the devil to use you. Something wrong with your head. Please. You want to fight me? Please. No, allow him to fight me. Shameless human being, allow him to fight me. Very stupid idiot. No, leave him, let him come and fight me. Come and fight me and see what my own owner will do to you. You think I'm an ordinary person? No, look at this food, thinks I'm an ordinary person. Me, Jasper, the goat. Because I managed to help the city to come and live here. That is why you think I'm an ordinary person. Can you stand before my age grade? Can you? Eh? In fact, you're a capital idiot.
Hey!
You're a capital compound idiot. Don't fear.
Brother Jasper, why are you raising the roof this night?
No! If it's that one, allow me to raise the roof. Oh. Allow me to raise it. In fact, if I get more angry, I'll go to the neighbor's house and raise their own roof. Go to the east and raise their own roof. I'll be raising roofs everywhere. Oh. It's my younger sister's house. Is it easy to be my younger sister's house? Eh? Allow me to talk to this fool and stop protecting him. Try me again. Adanna. Jesus. Adanna, so you have this kind of bedroom comfortably. That you will sleep in this room and wake up the following morning, no? Comfortably. You and this food. And you kept me in that kitchen cabinet. Eh? Adanna, you have mine though. You even have hibiscus flower. Eh? Enjoy. And your AC is even working. Adanna, you're wicked though. You're very, very wicked, man of bed, you. 6 by 6 bed. Eh? CTV. Adanna, so you have the... Oh boy. So Ekene Umenwa, my sister, Kobachima Mete. Eh? Adanna, let me even ask you, eh? So if we were in the village now and they share meat, who will collect the first part? No, who will take the first share? Or let's take for instance now, like tomorrow now, Papa will die. Who will take his first share of his property? Is it not me? No, is it not me, Jasper the goat? So because you are now in the city, you forget that immediately I stepped my feet inside this house. You're meant to call me. Tell me, brother Jasper, we have 5 bedrooms in this house, so please come and choose. I will be the one to choose. It's no you taking me to that kitchen cabinet that looks like prison.
Hey, brother Jasper, this is the master's bedroom.
And so? No, between me and you now, who is the master? I'm the master because I'm your senior. So the senior is for master bedroom. Don't you know, Mama, must I tell you everything?
Honey, please, can you tell this guy to just go out of this room?
Me, guy. Jasper, the goat, guy, this guy. You're using me to learn how to speak broken. Can you tell this guy? In fact, bedroom again. Nobody. This is now officially my bedroom. It is officially my bedroom. For you not to have done what you're supposed to do when I came to this house. It's officially my bedroom. Yeah. My sister.
Go back to him.
You know, my bed that you lock the door. Let my sister. Watch my man. Then talk.
What nonsense? Huh? What nonsense? Come.
Okay, welcome, sir.
I said come. Come here. Come on to this place. Are you come here? Who parked this car here?
It's Chief Magnus.
Chief who?
Magnus.
If you like, let him be Chief Magnus or Chief Anus. Is that why he parked this nonsense? This canoe in front of my shop? And you allowed him to park here? Huh?
We didn't see him when
Thunder fire you there. My friend, go you take this canoe out of my shop also. Is he mad?
Chief Magnus will not take this car out, bro.
I said thunder fire you. Go and call him to take. If I bring matches, I want to burn it. Go and bring matches, I want to burn this place.
Okay. Naim, they come on. Is the one coming?
So this is the metro that parked this nonsense in front of my shop. Huh? Enough of this nonsense. Just come and take this unwanted baby out of my shop now. Now!
You are the person that have been hitting my car that I'm hearing from my shop upstairs?
I can't even hear you clear. You can talk for somebody will hear. My God, take this nonsense out of my shop.
I wanted to drive out. But since you have the guts to talk to Chief Magnus that way, this car will park here for the rest of the week. Let me see what you will do.
You have nothing. I will burn this car. Before you come out, I will burn this car.
Okay.
You want to challenge me in this market? I will burn this car. Come.
Okay.
You say what?
Okay, Jasper. That is how it is in this market. If you're not a chief, nobody will respect you.
If you're not a chief, nobody will respect you.
In this market.
Okay, that's how it is. Once you're a chief in this market, you're a small god. You walk with
Get out of here. Foolish boys. Foolish boys that cannot fight for the Oga. That cannot defend the Oga. You're coming to tell me if you're not a chief, nobody will respect you. Don't worry, it's me and you in this market. Chief Magnus or Chief Anus, anything you call yourself, it's me, both of us in this market.
What kind of question is that? You always know what makes me angry and you still do it. Is it because I'm now in your house, I cannot carry my bag at any time I want to?
I just asked a simple question.
It's not a simple question now. Didn't you hear what you asked? Why am I carrying my bag? My own bag, not your own bag. Oh.
Okay. Okay, sorry. Are you traveling?
I'm going for morning mass to receive Holy Communion. Since you know how to ask stupid questions. My friend, are you dropping me or not? Come and drop me to the park, Biko.
Park?
It's a mortuary. Come and drop me at the mortuary.
But Jasper, what happened? Are you traveling? You didn't tell me. Did Papa call you?
What is wrong with you now? Come and drop me. You already know that I'm traveling now. By the way, do you have anything you want to give to your mother?
You just told me that I'm traveling. I did not prepare, so my regards to her.
Okay, oh yeah, come. Let's go. Come and drop me. Move now. Need to change my cap to red. Go. No, Mama. Oh, yo, Mama, Jasper the goat has landed. For this time, the goat is no longer in small letters, capital letter the goat. The goat. I'm while give him now. I'm now. Watch one towel. One towel now. One towel. We have to show them. One towel. You use money and disgrace you now. Use money and disgrace. We have made money. Too much money, man. Jasper the goat. We have Mama, don't worry, we'll continue the spraying when we go inside there. I have a gift for. Just hold on, I'm coming. Mama, even if you don't pick it, you leave it. You leave it. I've made money. Money is not a problem to me right now. We have made, let the enemies in this community, let them know that Jasper has made money. So they will all die, one after the other. Thank you. So see what I bought for you. Then for souvenir. No, it's not the two of them.
What am I going to do with these drugs and 500 naira?
Now for you. Why are you asking a very stupid question? You don't know what medicine is for? Okay, in case you don't know, this medicine, if you read it very well, is for high blood pressure. In case you are having high blood pressure, if you see someone else succeeding, you know, if you have this bad mind, you used to do. So in case your high blood pressure, you take it. Then this one is to call your daughter, because very soon, once the high blood pressure keep going on like that, you have untimely death. So you use this one and call her in case of anything that will happen to you.
Are you mad? In Akwala, you better mind what you say to me before you bite that tongue.
Which one is a better mind? Who are you talking to like that? You think I don't know what you've been doing? I know you're not happy. You're not happy for my success. And you see this money that I've made finally. I know that very soon your bad mind will soon kill you. So we are preparing before that time for you to get ready. Be taking medicine in case. Who are you talking to like that?
It's your mother that will die untimely. In fact, both of you will die before your time.
My mother?
Yes.
It is you that will die.
It is you that will die.
Your generation will die.
Your generation too.
You will die on time.
Mama, you don't need to shout now. You don't need to stress yourself. Money is the best revenge. I've not even started though. It's only one bundle that I brought out. She's already having an attack. If I bring the one that is inside this bag now, what will not happen?
Hypertension.
What will not happen?
Anyway, I'm no longer in your level.
Smell it. She has smelled the money. Let's
Can
go.
I spray you?
Let's go, Mama.
Money and your useless drugs. Foolish woman.
If you do now, just throw this.
Do you know where I bought that medicine?
You know how
do you know where I bought it?
I will give it to you.
Mama, let's go.
I will give it to you.
Let's go. I came back from a very far place. I need to rest.
No, for sure.
Mama,
She has kept quiet. Have you seen this? She has kept quiet. She wanted to be sprayed.
Mama, let's go.
Hey!
Let's go.
Hey!
Very stupid woman.
Jasper the goat. 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 Aqua greatest of all times. Jasper the goat. Ekene supermaster. Jasper the goat. Chachai, call me the goat. The goat.
Come. So you are now blind, Abi, or deaf, that you see me, Jasper, the goat, the Ekene master, Jasper the goat, greatest of all times. You didn't notice me. You just passed like that. As what now?
Or whatever you call yourself. Don't insult me.
Huh? So if I insult you now, what will you do?
I will insult you back now. Eh?
You will insult me back. The goat, greatest of all times. You will insult me. Okay, me forget me now. I will show you the latest insult, 2021 insult, and make sure you insult me back. Oh. Make sure you insult me back. When I fear, tear rubber. Insult me back. Insult me. I'm waiting for your insult. Oh. Insult me back. You will insult me back. I'm not fear. Insult me back. You don't know how to insult again.
Somebody cannot even joke with you, sir.
That joke will choke you there. That joke will choke you there. Tell you say you can insult. You don't want to insult.
Jasper, you know I can't insult you now, eh? Hey, this is real money.
My friend, pick your money. Foolish girl. You just open your mouth and you insult me back. I thought you know how to run your mouth like typewriter. Now you cannot insult.
Jasper the goat. Ha! Hey! Jasper, how can I insult you?
I know.
Hey!
See this one.
Okay. But you know I can't insult you. I can never insult you. Hey! Jasper the goat.
Let me arrange it well so that you now put it here. I will arrange it well.
Jasper the goat.
So if I give you collect. If I give you the money, you collect now. Jasper the goat. You pass me without saying hello, good afternoon, sir. You just pass like that. Even if you didn't see me, so you didn't perceive my perfume. Eh? I don't blame you. It's because I'm using leg to walk.
Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat.
Hello. Jasper, go straight to the point. I'm listening.
Why are you doing like Tatashi? Be taking it easy now. Anyway, I come in peace. You see, Jasper the goat is here to collect the highest chieftaincy title. So I'm telling you as you know, if you go, you discuss with the cabinet chiefs. I want the highest chieftaincy title of this land. I don't want backyard owner.
Jasper, so you have no ceased from being one big fool of a joker. So you want to collect the highest chieftaincy title of this land?
Okay, again.
What about? Stand up.
I am not no.
You go me here with a shot. Stand up.
Oh no, come back here. Oh, you go Kanye. This is money. Smell it. Somebody is talking to you. Be doing fast forward. What was your problem, sir? You not even allow me finish what I want to tell you. You are jacking the chair like that.
Okay, you know I was only joking.
What kind of joke is that? Do I look like a I don't like that too.
I said I'm sorry. Sit down. Sorry, I was only you get angry so easily.
Well, why wouldn't I get angry? You know I get angry so easily, and you be acting like Okponu. You cannot even. I don't like this thing.
I'm sorry, miss. Have your seat. I'm sorry. Sit down. It's okay.
My friend, sit down first before telling me to sit down. Sit down. You sit down.
Sorry, I'm already sitting. Just sit down. I'm sorry. Can someone joke with you? I said I'm sorry.
You and who is joking?
It's okay. I'm sorry. Have your seat.
Have you seen this kind of money in your life before?
I have not seen it. It's okay. I'm still joking.
My friend, this is it. I want you to start the movement with this money to tell you that I'm not here for jokes. Tell them that I, Jasper the Goat, the Ekene Supermaster, is here to collect the highest chieftaincy title of this land.
You have my support. You have it.
Abra, you have my support too.
Trust me, I said you have my support.
Onyinye mbuku onyinye ekwensu.
Trust me, I'm the only one. I said you have my support. You have it already. Don't you trust me again? Jasper, you're gonna see Supermaster.
I got my eyes on you.
Trust me.
I got my eyes on you.
Oh yes. Okay. Trust me, you have it.
All right, I'll take my leave.
Jasper.
This is real. Very real. This is how people keep money in the city. Yet my son keeps complaining to me every day for some money. Jasper, he's Jasper or not? You don't believe it. He's Jasper or not? Jasper, you'll be a
Papa, this is the drink I bought for you in the city. Just for you to hold this one for the meantime.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But how come you made all this money barely 3 months you went to the city?
Papa, am I not Jasper the Goat? Greatest of all times.
Yes.
And you're asking me, okay, what did you send me to the city to do?
Of course, to go and make money.
Exactly. So why are you now asking me this question that I made the money within 3 months? That is why I'm called Jasper the Goat. What many people can achieve even staying in the city for 10 years. If I go there 1 month, I will achieve it.
But is your sister Adana aware you made all this much money so fast?
When did my bank account become Adana's account number? That every kobo that enters my account, she will know.
Because she took you to the city and you are managing her business.
And so, she took me to the city and so, do you know the city has been missing me since I've been in this village. Immediately the city saw me, the city embraced me. Or have you not heard that overtaking is allowed? Oh, you've not heard? Let me shock you.
I will tell you that my name is Jasper. Jasper the Goat. The Ekene Supermaster. And anything that is hard for people to achieve, you see those people in the city that will take 10 years to achieve anything. Me, that is why I'm called Jasper the Goat. I will go before 1 month, I will achieve it. You want to try me? You see, this is money. One towel for now. You want to dare me? You want to dare me? Instead of you to be happy for your son. Fugia, all money. And mind you, don't go to Omona meeting and say that I beat you. It's not me that beat you, it's money. I use money to wipe you. It's money. Pick your money. Stop being surprised. Pick your money, it's your own.
It better not be what I'm thinking. It better not be you. I hope I have not landed my daughter Adana in serious trouble by asking her to take this idiot to the city.
Hey, Madam, no vex. You know, we have expected you to ask us this question a long time ago.
Because we have a lot to talk about concerning Oga Jasper.
Go ahead, I'm listening.
See, Madam, I don't like the way Jasper is spending money in that shop. Wasting money. Sometimes he sells below cost price. And any little provocation, he will fight the rival with so much money as if no one JB go.
Madam, it's not only that. Okay, Jasper practically fits everybody in that market. All you need to do is, when you see him, you hail him. Jasper, the Ekene master, aka the goat. He goes into the drawer, bring out money and starts spraying everywhere. Couple of days back, oh no, from nowhere, just got that. Okay, Jasper the goat, shake you before you knew it to put up my rice now. But foreign rice, madam. Foreign rice now, but tofu things, dinner the girl.
And now for more hush puppy, rice and beans. I go and buy in a shop.
You mean all this has been happening in my shop and none of you care to report to me?
Madam, so sorry about that. You know,
we are confused. We are confused at a point because he claimed that he is the owner of the business. And because you introduced him to us as the managing director. So we don't even know who to report to who. Huh? And as much as you are the one that employed us. Man, I am confused.
Now both of you listen and listen attentively. That shop is mine and nobody's. I only brought my brother Jasper to that shop to keep him busy. From now on, whatever happens in that shop, I want you both to report to me direct, immediately.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And henceforth, whatever transaction that takes place in that shop should be reported to me.
Yes, ma'am.
And I need every transaction reported to me secretly without the knowledge of Jasper.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the both of you can go.
Thank you very much.
Guide that shop. Madam, thank God, I remembered something. Madam, do you know that Jasper ate a plate of baby soup yesterday for 15,000 naira?
It's not 15,000. He gave the woman one bag of foreign rice. Yes, in exchange of a plate of pepper soup.
That's 24,000. Yes, 24,000 naira, madam. 24,000.
Please, both of you should just leave my presence. Okay. Get out!
Thank you.
Get out, get out, get out!
Jasper.
No.
The royal cabinet members and myself have convinced the king to confer you with the highest chieftaincy title of the land.
Ha! Oh no! Oh no, I believe you. Well. Why?
You see?
Oh no, Uchelo, you just insulted me now. I don't like insult in my life. How can you hang my hand like that? Eh? God, let's eat.
High Chief Jasper!
It's me, Ayadoro too. So, you just called me High Chief Jasper. High Chief.
High Chief Jasper, the Ekene Supermaster.
Oh no, Telo. I will give you the bigger version. This is it.
Thank you very much. But
High Chief Jasper.
High Chief Jasper, there is a little problem. That title you requested for.
Telo. Problem.
Yes, the title you requested for can only be.
Oh no, what kind of problem? If it's, listen, let me tell you, leave this thing. If it's what money can do, you already know I am able and capable. Money is not a problem. Talking to you is High Chief Jasper, the goat. Just tell me my title. When are they giving me the title? Let's commence. If it's money, forget it. What is money? It's a problem. Yeah. I don't know.
I have told you already. It's not about the money. It's about the age. And that title can only be conferred on men who are about 70 years of age, not for younger men like you. That is it. That is the problem.
Huh?
You just heard what I said. It's not for younger men. It's for men who are above 70 years of age. Those are the men that confer such titles on, not for...
So you know all these things. Why are you not collecting my money? I will give you, you collect. Am I Father Christmas? Huh? Bring the money here first. Let me be telling you what I'm telling you. You know that they cannot give me the title except I'm up to 70. And you're collecting my money. See, oh no, let me tell you. Me, I don't want story. Oh. I don't want story in this thing. I came all the way for this title. So age cannot stop me. Oh. Age is just a number. Oh. You get? Now, I am 32 years old. Okay? So, if you minus 32 from 70, let me see if this can work. 32 minus 70 is 38. Very good. Now, if I put 500,000 times 38 years remaining, Abi? I don't know if you went to school.
Yes.
If you add 38, 500 times 19 million. 19 million. We make up for the 38. Very good. I'm ready to pay the 19 million naira today.
You are ready? You have it. You have it.
Oh no, I'm not playing. No. You think it's a joke? Oh?
It's not a joke. I'm serious. I'm the owner.
With this one you're holding, you know that I'm very.
I am serious as well. I just told you you have it. I'm the owner. Trust me. You have it already. You have it already.
So you talk to Igwe?
I will talk to the Igwe. I said you have it already.
You know me very well.
I know you very well.
If I come back here and you didn't do what you not like this your cap.
I will do it. You are Jasper, the Ekene master. I know you.
Okay. Take for your trans. I'm miscellaneous.
Oh, thank you very much. Jasper, the Ekene super master.
Okay, I'll take my leave.
Thank you very much.
I'll take my leave. I'm
you
coming tomorrow. You give me my title.
No problem.
Or 3 a.m.
I said you have it already. Trust me. That's why you're gonna do.
This one you brought me out from the palace. I hope all is well.
The walls has ears. All is not well until you answer me this question. Are you going to offer me 19 million naira to confer on you the highest chieftaincy title in this land?
Igwe, you have nothing to worry about. So I don't know who now. I mean what I'm saying. Of course. Of course. Igwe, look, tomorrow morning, I will bring 4 million naira cash for you first, to know I'm not joking. Then I will travel back to the city and I will return with the 15 million naira.
Jasper, are you sure?
Igwe, which one am I sure again? I'm telling you the fact.
Okay, no problem. That was why I brought you out of the palace. Let's go back.
Ada?
You are back so early. Good morning.
Yes, so that is because I entered night bus.
Night bus?
Mm-hmm.
Why will you take such a risk?
Because I don't have money now. I don't have enough money for transport. So night bus are usually cheaper.
Okay, sorry about that.
So just wait for me. Let me quickly freshen up so we'll leave to the shop.
Brother Jasper, sorry, I'm so sorry. But I'm running late already. So I can't wait for you, please.
So how do you expect me to come to the shop now? I already told you I don't have money for transport. Eh? My friend, just wait for me. Let me freshen up.
Brother Jasper, I can't wait for you, please. I think I have 1,000 naira, please. Just use this for your tea fare. Yeah.
Hi! Adana, have you not insulted me enough in this city? You're giving me 1,000 naira for transport. That is the motor that will enter now. It has AC or comforts like your own. Eh? My friend, take your useless 1,000 naira. You're giving me Jasper the goat 1,000 for transport. As what now? Eh? As what? What nonsense scalability? You're giving me 1,000 naira. Now, my friend, wait for me. Let me just do faster now. Arinze, go and pay the taxi man 3,000 naira now. He's there. Ayla Abuchi, rush to the warehouse, eh? Count how many goods there, eh? Starting from the rice, granite oil, make sure everything is complete. Rush to me now. Don't waste time, eh? Are you mad? Come on, very stupid boy. They will tell you simple thing to do. You're asking questions. Why are you asking stupid questions? Can you count from here? It's your life that you start counting now.
Do you know the worst part of it?
What?
That same idiot, that stupid guy, came back to this house and my fiancé welcomed him like nothing ever happened.
Are you serious? After he has squandered all the money? Guy, what's up now?
I really don't know. I've never seen this kind of respect in my life. She respects this guy like he's her semi-god. After God is this guy to her.
Charles, you need to be careful. The guy is turning to be the decision maker in your relationship. It's time for you to pack and go.
It's already happening. Me pack?
Yes, of course.
Me pack and go? Impossible. That will never happen. After helping her make so much money from Forest Trade, me, I will now pack my things and I will go. Go for it.
Charles, you help her to make the money, right? Why her brother help her to squander the money? Charles, how do you think this will end? Knowing full well she has no say in her brother's case.
I really don't know. But I'm still watching. Patiently watching and looking. But the truth of the matter is, I'm getting fed up.
You should. You should. But please, I must tell you, I don't want to hear this stupid talk anymore. You have your decision to make. Teach that guy a lesson. That is what I have to say. Or you walk out from the relationship.
Nene, where is she? Come out here. Nene, come out. Very good. Now what? Come out here. You must know of this.
Why are you screaming my name like that? Can you come Maggie now? Eh?
You must know of this.
Know of what?
So your son, your wayward son is planning to take a chieftaincy title and you are supporting him.
Is this some kind of joke? Are you trying to do me long throat? Eh?
Don't ever try to deny this. Don't ever try to deny it. I am just coming from the monthly elders meeting and the announcement was made there. Now, of all the good and sensible things that your son could have done with the little money he made from the city, it is chieftaincy title you are supporting him to take.
Hey! That means it's true. That is truth. No, it's your kuno. Jehovah Jehovah Hey! Oh, you mama Ekene. Gini ka meji churu gaja. You are the all-knowing God. Hey! So I'm not being a mother of a chief.
Do you know the implication of what you are celebrating?
No, I'm the mother
that
of a
Jasper wants to take a chieftaincy title, while I, the father, I'm not a chief.
It's because you're poor. If you were rich, we have taken at least 3.
Let me shock you. That chieftaincy title will never happen. Not in this house.
Onye ihe m na-ewiwe bigo ya wee gbo ya kpọmkpọm ọsụkọsụ nwamkpi bigo ya sugbo ya kpọmkpọm onye ihe m na-ewiwe bigo ya wee gbo ya kpọmkpọm ọsụkọsụ nwamkpi hey nnechi the cow you let that mother of
Jasper the goat, yeah. Jasper the goat, Jasper the goat, yeah. Jasper the goat,
You say you want 3,000 bags, eh?
Yeah. It was the ones in the shop.
These ones in this shop now, eh? We are no longer selling it for now. Put it on hold. That one in the warehouse. That one in the warehouse. 3,000 bags. That's the one you can sell. The yoke.
Na me be go Ekene supermaster. I call am Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. Yeah, Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat. The goat apple of an Jasper the goat. But the greatest of all times, you know. Jasper the goat. Yeah. Jasper the goat. Jasper the goat.
As you said, I'm waiting. Nice in business.
Jasper the goat.
We are not doing this town. The goats.
Ekene supermaster. Jasper the goat. Chachai, call me the goat. Na me be the goat.
Chief Magnus, you will see me in this market. We will know who is the goat, the real goat. Ekene supermaster in this market. In a wire.
Shameless liar! Shameless liar! You think I will not hear about your cheap gossip? You go about telling stupid lies about me, gossiping about me. What is wrong with you? Ekene? Oh, you think you are laughing? Laugh at your stupidity. You going about telling the whole people that your daughter, useless daughter, made my son rich. My own Jasper.
Which son?
My Jasper.
Because the last time I checked, you only have a goat and not a son.
You opened your mouth, your stinking mouth, to say that about my son. If you say that again, I will teach you another way to die. They say there are many ways to kill a rat, but I know your own. It is one-way traffic. Open that your smiling mouth again and say it. I will shut it for you.
You are still confusing me the more. Yes. Which son, Biko Nunu? Is it the mobile mortuary that calls himself Jasper? Or the born by mistake you call your child?
Is it my son?
Efulefu.
My Jasper.
Efulefu.
Talk about in that manner. Ha! Goyere, you're jealous. You are jealous that my Jasper is doing far well, more than your daughter in the city. You're jealous that he is doing better than your God-forsaken daughter. Ah! Some people jealous me. Some people jealous me, oh. Some people jealous me because of my Jasper. Oh.
Me jealous.
I'm on one ego. Hey! I'm on one ego.
Jealous?
Yes!
Hey!
You are jealous of
Jealous of Efulefu. Anyway, don't blame me. Atarom Gichacha. I am only blaming my daughter. I only blame my daughter for deciding to give your goat of a son a new life. Oh, ya can't tell Atarom Gi. Efulefu Gi.
Who is richer? Now who is richer?
Who is rich?
I got to follow the property. Oh, Oshakurugi.
Your son can never be rich.
Shocking you.
Your son can never be rich. He only steals from my own daughter, and he will always remain a thief. Onyori, Ogafe Rana, Ofuo. Ogafe, Ofuo. Onye ntutu aka.
Nkonye.
Ogafe, Ihefuo. Omifie.
You open your mouth.
He don't choke you.
Call my son
He choke
a
you.
thief.
He don't shock you. He shock you.
Oh, Ochokurugi.
He shock you.
Ochokurugi.
He shock you.
Ochokurugi. Onye boss ota.
Onye boss nne gị.
Mmagi.
Nna gị dị.
Mmagi.
Ewu. Hey, adedi.
Ọbịam na arụ.
Adịkwa ndedi.
Ọ na-adị gị.
Onye boss.
Mmagi. Mmagi dị.
Nna gị dị.
Mmagi dị.
Ikwu n'ibe gị dị.
Hey.
Onye boss.
Ọbịam na arụ. Ọgbakọ esomia. Ọgbakọ esomia. Ọgbakọ esomia. Ọgbakọ esomia. Ọgbakọ esomia. Ọgbakọ.
Ina boss. Ọsọ kí na.
Akwụkwọ anyị na.
Akwụkwọ anyị nke gị. Why na? Ọsọ kí na ba. 1 plus.
Jasper, welcome.
Then how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
How was it?
We thank God. Business is fine. We are moving to the permanent side.
Jasper, please, I would like us to run through the business accounts. Immediately freshen up.
Why?
It's been long overdue.
Because you're overdue, it's due there now. Am I running away? You just seen someone that just came back from work. Obviously, you see I'm tired, and you're telling me for us to be doing business accounts.
That was why I said when you freshen up. I need to get new goods, so I need to run through that account.
That's why you have to wait. You see someone that is coming back from work, you're telling him to be doing account balance. I already have enough crates in me. Tomorrow we'll put proposal. Then I will now tell you when we'll do the account balance tomorrow. Mama!
Now, you're back.
Point of correction, your son came back with swag.
Hey! Okwa swagger, mom. Swagger son, mom. That makes my enemies to go gaga. Hey! Gaga! And you're back so soon.
Don't tell me you're surprised that I came back so soon. No. You're supposed to know your son now. Oh, you did my head.
No, plenty of it.
Obrakwa red oil. Ugoja granite oil or udake. It is prosperity oil. It's only a food that will go to the city and spend years to make money. Me, once I would have returned a day after I went to. It's just that I said, okay, you know what? Let me just rest. Let me just rest and come back the following day. They played the show. I went there immediately. There were many obstacles. I said, for what? Who are you? Are you Jasper the goat? I followed the obstacle. Hey. Before you know, millions started entering my account. The person you're seeing here is a
Benefits, sir.
Multi-millionaire.
Benefits.
Mama Tuoma Alpha.
Benefits millionaire.
It is me.
Benefits Jasper.
I'm not hearing it.
Benefits the goat. Benefits the super. Okay, the superman.
Get that here now. It's not that you landed. Like landed. Who is that person now? Does he know how much perfume I sprayed? Does he know the 1 yard of this clothes? How much is? Where is she going to?
Jealousy. Just leave her. She's frustrated. Hey! Benefit Ogene.
It is me. It is me. It is me.
Benefit Jasper. The goat.
The goat. No.
The goat. Hey!
Hey, Mama, don't try to take my mind out from this thing I just noticed. You see this place? It's just a matter of time. Just short time.
Okay.
I will build a mansion for you. In fact, I will build a skyscraper. You know, normally skyscraper scrapes the sun. But the one I will build there is the sun that will scrape the skies. No, they will use razor to scrape it. The house will hang. In fact, our enemies will now know that we have arrived.
The city is already missing me. As I left now, the city is crying.
No. You're welcome, my son.
Mama, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Hi.
Are you boys joking or something?
Madam, we are not joking. We are not joking. As I talk to you now, that warehouse is completely empty. No semo, no rice, no beans, not even gare. That warehouse is empty.
And where is Jasper now?
Madam, we've not seen him since morning. Till now that the market closed.
What do you mean you've not seen him since morning? Jasper left this house for the shop this morning and you're telling me you've not seen him. I practically took him to the shop. So what do you mean you've not seen him since morning?
Madam, since morning, we've not seen Oga Jasper in the shop. We've not seen him throughout today at all. Where? We've not seen him at all today. He didn't come out today.
Who do you think he sold those goods to?
Yeah, madam, I think he sold those goods to Mr. Emeka. Because I saw them yesterday doing some calculations in millions.
Chief Emeka? Jasper sold my goods to Chief Emeka. First thing tomorrow morning, you both will accompany me to Chief Emeka's place.
Okay, ma. They're okay, Medukasho.
And I'm not, which one is Medukasho? I said I saw them yesterday making some calculations in millions.
From her, but I don't know they were calculating those kind.
But I'm telling you now.
Congratulations once more, Chief Jasper.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, Chief Jasper. You're
Yes.
super master.
So Badro, very soon you get there.
The goods.
The honor you are going to be bestowed with is the type nobody of your age in this kingdom has earned since the origin of this kingdom. You are indeed more than a man.
Igwe, thank you. Thank you.
Olu,
Igwe.
Present to him the book.
Yes, Your Highness. Jasper, this is the book that contains the rules and regulations of the chieftaincy title you are about to be conferred with.
Okay.
You are advised to study it before the coronation date.
Okay.
This is the only copy we have, so you study it and bring it back.
Only one copy?
Yes.
Why only one copy now?
Because the chieftaincy title is a very rare one in the kingdom.
Okay. So in that case, I will go home and study it now.
Yes.
So, you see, I want this my chieftaincy title to be fast. Okay, before my enemies put eye for me. I want us to finish everything. You prepare it. Let's start it today. In fact, let's just round it off. There's no time.
You have no problem. All arrangements, all necessary arrangements have been put to place. Your coronation will take place next week.
Next week?
Yes.
No. Oh no. Next week is very far. Me, I was thinking of tomorrow. Let's do it tomorrow now. What are we waiting for?
Unless you want the Ezemwo to perform the chieftaincy ritual tomorrow.
Okay.
Then the official ceremony will be done next week. Because I'm expecting special dignitaries. You know, kings from the neighboring communities will come. Government officials will also be here. And some other dignitaries. It's a big occasion.
Okay. Tomorrow, Ezemwo will perform, which is very, very important. Without performing that, no chieftaincy title.
Certainly.
That is okay. Ezemwo can perform the chieftaincy title, chieftaincy preparations tomorrow. Okay? Then next week, then we can do the ceremony.
So, in that case, oh no, you are going to inform the other elders in council.
Yes, Your Highness.
All of them gather at the shrine by tomorrow evening for the coronation.
Yes, Your Highness.
Are you happy now?
Very, very happy, Igwe. I got my eyes on you. Very, very well. It's not a problem.
It's okay, I'll take my leave, eh? Please. Okay, bye. I'll study it, eh? Mama, oh! Mama! Mama, bia, no make way. You see, I told you that I was going to make you the proudest mother in this village, yes or no? Yes? Okay. This, well, no, Mama, take it. It's your son, Jasper the goat, that gave it to you. You see, this is the clothes that you will wear for me on my coronation date. You see, your son Jasper.
You see coronation?
No, in our speed. You can't talk in the headline. Your son Jasper shall be conferred with the highest chieftaincy title. Highest chieftaincy title in this kingdom. Hey! You see that kind of title that Igwe is even thinking of leaving his post to come and join me. It's more like a low budget Igwe, but it's me that is trying to, upgrade it to this highest title. That's the highest of them all. Even my own book is a personal book. Nobody has it in this kingdom.
This is my call. Wait, Ina. Just explain it more. Actually, give you a word so to be able to understand it why. It's not getting
highest chieftaincy title in this our kingdom. Is there any other way to read it? It's what I just told you. So all you have to do, wear it with your bow straight on that day. That's all.
Hey! Hey! Adamma, Yeremegi Noah.
Yeremegi.
Adimando Tubio. Yeremegi. Obora Mammo Yekema. Ekwensu Yeremegi Noah. Yeremegi. Magimando Tubio. Yeremegi. Adamado Yeremegi Noah. Yeremegi. Oh yeah.
Mama, give it to her to feel the texture. That's how they do things. That is Hollandis upon Hollandis. Give it to her.
Smell it. It is Gucci wrapper. Akwadaro Kono. You have a son that will give it to you. Ha! Ajomado ba ajomo. Ekwensu ki Yeremegi Noah. Back to standard. Yeremegi. Magimando Tugio. Yeremegi. Na oshigo ya nimi. Ekwensu Yeremegi Noah. Yeremegi yo. Magimando Tugio. Yeremegi. Adomando Yeremegi Noah. Yeremegi. Magimando Tugio. Yeremegi. Hey! Solo.
What are you doing with police officers in the village? My daughter, talk to me. What has Jasper done this time?
Mama, if I catch Jasper, when the Jasper gets away, I will kill him.
What did you do this time?
Jasper is a thief. Jasper is a hoodlum. Mama, he auctioned my goods, all the goods in my warehouse. Goods worth 20 million naira.
catch him. They must catch him up. So, this boy has been flaunting stolen money all over the village. And even mocking me on top of my daughter's money. Eh? You useless of a mother. You useless mother of a kid. I will stand today by dealing with you.
Jasper! Eh? Where are you coming from?
I want to see, let me see my friend here. Just here.
Jasper! What is wrong with him? What could be pursuing him? Why is he running like that by this time of the day? I hope he has not committed any trouble that require me to be paying fine to the village community, the village council. Let me hurry home. What is going on here? What is going on here? Can somebody tell me what is going on here? Ada, are you back? I hope all is well. I saw Jasper running on the road as if a lion is chasing him. I hope all is well. I'm going to stop that.
Let me do it.
Madam, no.
That idiot! That thief! Rubbish! Another one day.
Ada, what happened? Tell me, what is it?
This witch and her criminal son. Hey! They have destroyed my daughter's business.
How?
This woman.
Ada, is that true?
Papa, Papa, everything I've worked for, all my money, all my investment is gone. All because of
Ada, hold on. Don't tell me that Jasper stole all the money has been blowing in the village all these days.
You cost it. Stole my money, father. My investments. Yes. My hard-earned. You cost it.
Leave me. Whoa.
They will catch you.
Jai! What have I done? What have I done to my life? Jai! Officer! Hey, listen, go and arrest that. Go and arrest the rascal. Arrest the rascal. Go and arrest the rascal. He must run.
Adana, Biko, please calm yourself down. We know what 20 million naira is, especially.
Yes. My daughter, we promise to get to the root of this matter. Jasper will provide all that he took from you. All. But please, my daughter, can we settle this without police?
It is a lie. I disagree. Yes. No way the police must be involved. Jasper has to go to jail. At least let me have peace in my house.
Let him not go to jail. I will personally talk to him, go ask him to refund every penny he took from her. Because let him not go to jail.
May devil punish you there. Where do criminals end up? That good of your son must rot in jail.
If you send him to jail, also have to jail time. Now, you will just be paying small, you finish paying everything.
No, let me hear word. Let me hear word. Adanna, Ikonyere, if we send him to jail, we will still be the one to lose.
Yes.
Jasper is the only son in this family. And this is a family case. Why don't we involve the Igwe? The Igwe will help us.
Yes, it's a family matter. Officers, please, allow us settle this domestically. We promise you this money shall come out. Please, Adam, please, let us settle this within ourselves. The money shall come out. We know how to do it, and Jasper will bring the money. Please. Please.
Shut up.
Ikenga, my brother. Please.
Adam, I feel so guilty asking you to do me another favor. But please, do this last for me. Allow us settle this matter traditionally. If our Igwe has the ability to settle this case, yes.
Papa, my uncles, I've heard what you said, but I will only allow this slide if you people will guarantee me that I will get all my money back from Jasper.
Yes.
Yes, we'll guarantee you.
We pay everything. We will pay.
Easier said than done.
It's okay. Adam, it's alright. We'll guarantee that. Yes.
Thank you.
I don't think the camera is close.
Yeah. But it doesn't matter.
My head does this.
Just because of one thing.
And the next thing you go on.